Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing the third theorem of the triangles chapter, that is Pythagoras theorem, which is also a very important theorem. So let's start. Hey guys, welcome back. Before starting the Pythagoras theorem, I would like to inform you that we have started online tuition classes and the batches have already started. The benefit of online tuition class is that you can study or attend tuition by staying at your home itself, and also you can maintain social distancing. For the details regarding online tuition classes, you can mail me at my mail ID or you can DM me in Instagram. So we shall start the today's session. Before starting Pythagoras theorem, first we should know this theorem, that is theorem 6.7. It says, if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right triangle to the hypotenuse, then the triangles on the both sides of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle to each other. So they gave a right triangle. So I'll explain you with the help of diagram. So first we shall draw the right triangle. Let this be a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B. Now I need to draw a perpendicular from the vertex of the right angle. Means from the point B, I need to draw a perpendicular. Let this be BD. Perpendicular to the hypotenuse. So AC is the hypotenuse. Then the triangles on the both sides of the perpendicular. So there are two triangles on the side of the perpendicular, that is ABD and BDC, which is similar to the whole triangle and to each other. That means we can tell triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. So you can see this is the first triangle and this is the second triangle. So this first triangle is similar to the whole triangle ABC. Same way second triangle, that is triangle BDC, is similar to triangle ABC. So second triangle is BDC, that is similar to the whole triangle ABC and also to the each other. Means triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. Means this triangle 1 is similar to triangle 2. So now we'll proceed to the Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem says, in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So a right triangle is given. So first we shall draw the right triangle. Let this be triangle ABC, right angled at B. So first we shall write the given part. Triangle ABC, right angled at B. To prove, they told the square of the hypotenuse. So here the hypotenuse is AC. So AC square is equal to, sum of the squares of the other two sides. So sum of the square of the other two sides. The other two sides are AB and BC. So AB square plus BC square. Now construct. We need to construct a perpendicular. So we'll construct BD perpendicular to AC. So BD perpendicular to AC. Proof. Can I tell triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC from the previous theorem? When two triangles are similar, now can I tell their corresponding sides are proportional? So AB by AC is equal to AD by AB. So AB by AC is equal to AD by AB. Now cross multiply. So I did AB into AB is AB square is equal to AC into AD. So let this be 1. Now triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC from the previous theorem. So when two triangles are similar, can I tell the corresponding sides are proportional? So BC by AC is equal to DC by BC. So BC by AC is equal to CD by BC. Cross multiply, we get BC square is equal to AC into CD. So let this be 2. Now we need to add 1 and 2. So left hand side we should add and then right hand side. So AB square plus BC square. So AB square plus BC square is equal to AC into AD. AC into AD plus AC into CD. So AC is common. So AC is equal to AD plus CD, which is equal to AC into, so AD plus CD is equal to AC. So AC into AC. So we got AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So we proved the Pythagoras theorem, hence proved. So the theorem completes here. The next theorem, that is converse of Pythagoras theorem, I'll be taking in the next video. I hope you understood the Pythagoras theorem. Do practice it twice so that you get the grip on the theorem. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and share this with your friends and spread the knowledge. Thank you. Jai Hind.